Yes, Shalom to the 12th tribe of Israel. And first and foremost, we have to give thanks unto the Most High Yah and His beloved Son Yahweh Shai. To an HV cooking channel, I've been making some stewed chicken with rice and peas. So catch me on the next cooking adventure. So right here, I got my stuff that I'm going to be putting in my peas before I boil it. So I got half a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of pimento seed, Scotch bonnet pepper, 4 garlic cloves, Guyanese thyme, and scallion. So in this pot I got a cup of red peas. So what I'm going to do, the first thing is I'm going to cut up the garlic and put it in. Okay, so my garlic is all cut up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw it in the peas. So now I'm going to add in my Scotch bonnet pepper, my half a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, my teaspoon of pimento seed, my scallion, so now I'm just cutting up my thyme. Now I'm putting the thyme in the pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on the stove and let my peas cook for like half an hour. So right here I got my half a chicken. Me and my wife, we raised these chicken from chicklings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up and then come back and cut it up and show you. So yes people, so this is my chicken all cleaned up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it up.
But I can't escape another breath, and I have to work tonight 'cause I'm late work. Hey, I want to run away and don't look back, but to hide in place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another breath, and I have to work tonight 'cause I'm late work.
So yes people, so all my chicken is cut up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to season it up now. So yes people, so this is what I'm going to be seasoning up my chicken with. I got 1.5 Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, thyme, Guyanese thyme. So my dry seasoning is a teaspoon of turmeric, tablespoon of chicken noodle soup base, and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. So right now adding in a teaspoon of soy sauce, so my turmeric, chicken noodle, and all-purpose seasoning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut up my wet ingredients. So my seasoning is all cut up to put in my chicken, so my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, and my thyme. So remember, please remember to wash your hand after you cut the scotch bonnet pepper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in with the chicken. So that's in with the chicken now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this together. So that's all mixed now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure I mix it up thoroughly, and then I'm going to start frying. So everything is combined nicely. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to start frying them up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my chicken in the pot. Okay, so first batch is in. So right here, people, this is my final ingredients I'm gonna put into my chicken, my stewed chicken when I'm stewing it down.
We've been going on forever. There's no more crying on the floor. And she said it's now or never. So I let somebody go. Ooh. I let somebody go. Ooh. Yeah.
You have a coconut here, like a box open for the rice and peas. So yes, people, so this is my coconut milk, so I'm going to strain it off.
Somebody go. Ooh.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw this coconut milk into my peas. My peas is 95% boiled. So yes, people, so I'm going to stew my chicken down now. So in this measuring spoon, I have a teaspoon of soy sauce. And a tablespoon of chicken roux. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my chicken to this broth.
Somebody go. Ooh. Yeah. Let somebody go. Ooh.
So in this bowl, remember I got my tomato, garlic, onion, green onion, and thyme.
Somebody know me better.
So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover this and let this sit for like 20 minutes.
said it's now or never. So I let somebody go. Ooh. I let somebody go. Ooh.
Yes, people, my rice and peas are coming along. I just put the rice in. So I'm going to give this like 20 minutes. So my stewed chicken are come along nicely. Catch more me I share. Yes, people, stewed chicken done. Rice and peas done. So I'm going to make a share now. So yes, people, so this is what dinner look like. Stewed chicken, the rice and peas. Shalom.
Broken apart by you. Wait in the dark. I try to cover up the mistakes and the pain and the scars from you. And I let somebody know me better. I thought that I would miss her more, but I wake up and I feel better. Cause I let somebody go. We've been going on forever. There's no more crying on the floor. And she said it's now or never. So I let somebody go.